Montrose, Iowa. Dateline July 22, 2024. The spirit of an ancient nation lives on the west bank of Mississippi. There is a spirit to this project. Working on the restoration of the world's oldest ship replica, which has crossed 2 oceans and 4 seas, makes it more evident how the Old World influenced the New World in 600 BC. When we bought the broken and cut pieces of the wreck in the mud of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, 2.5 years ago, we were not sure if we would be able to sort out the more than 10,000 pieces to bring to life what Captain Phillip Beale had so historically done when he sailed 1,000 nights and days over 30,000 nautical miles for more than 4 years. To appreciate the significance of the project, we have to take into view 25% of the world's surface of 200 million square miles. We must stretch our minds to comprehend what the ship replica means for the history of ancient America. As we put our hearts, hands and minds into the project, we feel a sense of awe that we are so blessed to be able to look behind a veil that has hidden the important history of great nations who lived in a space of more than 1 million square miles and for more than 50 generations. This ship represents so much more than any of us are able today to comprehend. We again rejoice in the greater light and knowledge that the ship replica brings into our hearts and minds. We invite again all people of goodwill and faith to join us as we bring the pieces of the past together.